Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to an Erica Rose Design Team layout. So this is a fun kit that and a class that Erica was teaching at She Loves Color 2023. She is an instructor for She Loves Color 2024. So if you're going, you are going to be in for a treat. So this was built around, we've got a lot of fun Elle's Studio stuff here, the Fun in the Sun collection. Some fun little die cuts that she made, some flair from the Scrap and Happy Studio, and then just more die cuts. I'm going to use this from my stash, but we do have this Erica Rose cut file, which says favorite. And these two photos, we're going to trim this one down just to get my husband who's staring at me, and I do this to him all the time, because he will just be like, what? And I'll take the picture, and he should learn to pose. That's all I have to say. So first, we're going to move this guy out the way. And I want to make this black. So I have a black close to my heart shimmer brush. I'm going to miss the shimmer brushes the most. I should have bought all that they had left. And I'm going to paint this and let it dry. But it's going to make it pop off that really busy background. And then I'm going to use the paper pad and pull in all kinds of fun colors and back this cut file. And I won't do any of that on screen. This, could get quite tedious. But, you could use a marker. Now I have a Glass Studio matte down there. So when I'm done, I will just wipe it up. You can put down your you can do any of your stuff, any of the mixed media mats, or paper, whatevs. But if you're just really gentle, do you see? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's going to have some shine. So I do try to cut the majority of my cut files out in white so that I can edit the colors. Now sometimes you will see I have done it in different colors when I'm trying to use up excess paper or cardstacks, or the paper that I have that is like white on the background. I actually use that a lot. That's one-sided, so just so I don't have all kinds of stuff, which we do. We have all kinds of extra stuff sitting around. Okay. We're just gonna Erica does have a new stamp that is going to be released. It's a fall vibe, so you do remember the summer vibes one, which I will grab shortly and show you, because we're going to be doing some fun stamping as well. But yeah, stamps are fabulous and so usable. I can't wait to start doing summer things, because it's not quite summer yet here where I live, seasonally or weather wise. It is crazy not warm, which is actually very uncharacteristic for this time of year, you guys. It is June, right? And it's cold outside for me. I'm still wearing sweatshirts and coats. And yes, people are making fun of me. So it's probably not really cold for other people. I don't know, I'm just always cold. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stop blabbering on. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm trying to get ahead this weekend on design team stuff, because I am going to Wisconsin again in a few weeks to meet up with my girls for another fun this is just a crafty retreat, so not so much a crop, so my soul sister is going to be able to play along with everything instead of hosting it. So, and then my other new friends, luckily they take pity on me because they know I don't cook, and we have to everybody takes turns like providing a meal. So Stephanie is so sweet, and she's like, I'll work with you, sis. And I'm like, good, because unless I'm bringing my husband, guys, don't expect me to cook, right? All right, so let me finish this up, and I will be right back. All right, so we've got that all backed, and we've got our photos stuck on there. Now we're just going to do a little bit of embellishing with some wordy bits. I actually think, let's filter through these. So I do want to pull in some of these colors. Let's put that one there. So much fun. People love this. Maybe yellow. Well, B is just being butt today, isn't she? I don't like that one on there. Well, I do apologize for her. And then we have Fun in the Sun and Hello Summer. Those are not going to work. Let's get these stuck down. This entire thing is popped up on some foam. And little favorite thing. So this one that I just stuck on down there in the green is awesome. And then we've got You're Cool. Probably should have just, I was kind of doing a tone on tone. So let's do that after I change my mind 1,000 times. Let's do this You're Cool right down here. We got the You Are My Sunshine, and you see that black really does pop, so it does pay to just kind of look at their cut files, the ones that are in white, and make them whatever color is going to work. This says I love this. We got the You Are My Sunshine, and then we do have let's see. We had Story. What if we did Love This Story? It would be fun, but it's not going to work right there. Let's just put that heart there. And let's check this little. It says happy, but we're going tone on tone, so let's just tuck that guy there. And just pop the little lucky to have you. So we are just doing tone on tone. Okay. And then we can come in with a few of these little hearts. So I'm just thinking doing a yellow. Stick the little yellow there, stick the green there, and what if we went with the pink up there? Okay. So if you guys have not headed to the shop, which is Erica Rose Creates, please do so. So much fun, fabulous kits, and good instructions, right? Erica is a very fabulous teacher, so she writes wonderful instructions to follow. I think that's just super cool. I did pull out these flowers, but I don't think we're going to use those. I do really like the sunglasses. And the little hearts. Do we have any other? Okay, let's go with that. These are just super fun and easy to use, just little acrylic pieces. Okay. And then we can come in with some crystals. And these are just half gems. So flat backed, and that's gonna be our layout. I super am loving this today. So don't forget to check out the shop, head on over, get yourself some cut files or some beautiful collections that are curated so perfectly that you just won't be able to resist. So I will finish this up. You will see the close-ups at the end of the photo, or at the end of the video, not photo. Okay. It's actually kind of hard to see the sizes. So I'm just kind of dabbing them around. And they are bits on the upside down, so I just kind of flip them over. Let's see what we got going on. I'm pretty sure I just lost one somewhere. These little guys kind of fall all over. But you can flip them up fairly easily. So that's going to do it. I'm just going to finish this up. Don't forget to do all the fun YouTubey things. Like, subscribe, join the membership, check out the groups, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.